y'all, and welcome back to my channel, Favorite with Flavor. Today I'm bringing to you Louisiana style red beans and rice. These things are delicious, full of flavor, so if you want to see how I make it, just stay tuned. So the ingredients that you're going to need is a bag of red kidney beans. I let mine soak overnight. I also use some smoked neck bones, but if you don't like pork, you can leave that out. You can use your favorite smoked sausage. I had Zatarans today. I used 2 stalks of celery, a jalapeno pepper, some bell peppers, onions, some chicken broth, 2 tablespoons of butter, a tablespoon of crab oil, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. You got some fresh chopped parsley. You'll also need some Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, paprika, salt and pepper, and herbs de Provence, okay? Now that you got all your stuff, let's get cooking. So first what we're going to do is put our 2 tablespoons of butter into our Dutch oven or whatever pot you're using to make your red beans and rice. We're going to saute up our smoked sausage first, okay? You just want to make sure that you get the butter coated all over your all of your smoked sausage pieces, and then we're just going to brown that up. So now that I have achieved the color that I was looking for, I'm going to go ahead and remove these from my Dutch oven, and we're going to start sauteing up our veggies next. So you just want to put everything inside that Dutch oven besides your minced garlic and your parsley. I let mine saute for about 8 to 10 minutes. Make sure that you chop all your pieces up around the same size so that they cook evenly. So now we're going to go back in with our minced garlic, and we're going to cook this for about another minute or 2. Now you want to go back in with all of your seasonings with your veggies. Just put all of the seasoning in there, give it a good mix, make sure everything marries well together, okay? Now you want to add in your crab oil. And we're going to put back in our smoked sausage back into that Dutch oven. Give everything a good mix. Make sure everything is all incorporated. And now we're going to go back in with our kidney beans. If you have a little water that was left at the bottom of the bowl, it's perfectly fine, y'all. Just add that to the pot too. So now we want to add in our protein. And again, I did use smoked neck bone, but you don't have to if you don't want to. This just gives it extra added flavor for me, okay? We love flavor over here. So now you want to go in with your fresh chopped parsley, and you're going to go back in with your 6 cups of chicken broth or 6 cups of water. Give everything a good stir. So I forgot to mention in the beginning that you're going to need 3 bay leaves. So you want to add that into the pot at this moment here. Give everything another good stir. Now that we have come to a rolling boil, you want to give it one more good stir. We're going to turn the heat down to a simmer, cover this, and we're going to cook this for 2 hours. So after about a couple of hours, this is what we are now looking like. This would be the point that you would want to take some beans out, put it into a bowl, mash those up, and put them back into the pot and let it cook for like another 10 minutes or so. But I didn't need to do that here. So now you just see me removing the bay leaves. I mean, look at that pot. That pot is delicious, okay? My house smelled delicious. We're gonna go back in with some fresh parsley, give it one more good mix, and then you'll be able to plate this up and serve it to your family, who will be so appreciative that you took the time to make them some beautiful, delicious red beans and rice. And boom. Here is the finished product, okay? You can serve it with some rice. I did serve it along with some heart-shaped cornbread, okay? Serve it with whatever you want to serve it with, okay? I just want you guys to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have not hit the subscribe button, please do. Make sure you always remember that you are favored with flavor when you're in the kitchen cooking. And be sure to come back and check me out soon. I'll see you guys later.